everyone, it's Alexis here and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a really quick video for you guys. I was on my way out the door to go to a farm to go get some produce, and I saw in the mail that I got my Florist book. And I also got in some of my giveaway items because I'm doing my first giveaway on my channel here. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know this, but for those of you who don't, I recently just hit 6,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm almost at 7 now, and I am just so excited, so happy. And I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has supported this channel over the years. It truly means so much to me. Growing up, I watched a whole lot of YouTube. I watched people like Bethany Moda and RLC Beauty, Michelle Fan. I was a huge fan of their channels, loved and watched every single one of their videos. So growing up, I always kind of wanted to be like a YouTube person. I always wanted to like make videos and help people. And fast forward to 2021, like it's just really cool to see how I was able to overcome my fears of just speaking on camera and just starting a YouTube channel in general, being scared of what everyone else was going to say and think of my channel. So I'm really glad that I was able to just overcome all that and make this channel for you guys, make videos. And I'm also happy because I'm actually producing content on a topic that I love and just am very passionate about. So thank you so much for supporting my channel, guys. So as a thank you to my subscribers, I am hosting my very first giveaway. So what I'm going to be giving away is this florist toolkit filled with florist tools to help you get started in your florist career. I'm just kind of like go through each of the items in the toolkit, and then also going to include like some little surprises at the end. So make sure to watch the whole video through. So yes guys, so you get this entire toolkit full of tools. Ooh. And I am super jealous because I love this blue color. I think this is really pretty. I feel like this is like a boy and a girl color. Not that there are boy and girl colors, but I feel like this is a very neutral color. If you enter my giveaway, you will receive a pair of clippers. Ooh, these are brand spanking new. These are going to be super helpful when you are designing with your flowers. I like using clippers. I think they're super user friendly, and if you're like new at all this, they're easy to work with. So got yourself a pair of clippers. Next, you're going to receive a rose stripper. I absolutely love this kind of rose stripper because it like you can grip it all the way around, and like the thorns and all that get caught right here in this hole, and it's really easy to use. It doesn't hurt your hands. So we're gonna get one of these guys. It's gonna really help you during like Valentine's season when you're like pumping out like hundreds of roses at a time just to clean them off and get them ready. So you're gonna win one of these tools. And if you haven't already seen my florist toolkit video, I will link that in the description box below. I will go over all the florist tools that I use on a day-to-day basis that help me become a master florist. So I will link those tools that I use in the description box below. But if you enter my giveaway, you're gonna win all of this for free. So keep watching, but you're also going to get some of this wire, which is helpful to use when you are just trying to wire your stems and make them stand up straighter and keeping like your stems from drooping and all that. So you're gonna win some wire, which is really lovely. Paddle wire. This is really good for flower crown making. Highly recommend to get this if you don't already have it, but you're going to win all that, so you don't even have to get it, you know? And this right here is the stuff. So you're gonna get a fresh thing of pins and a whole bunch of pretty colors. And then you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 things of florist tape. So this florist tape is really good for making like your corsages, your boutonnieres, any of your little small things like your flower crowns, anything like that. That's gonna be really helpful to make with this florist tape, and it comes in like 4 different colors, so that's awesome. And I'm sorry guys, but there's like a fly zooming around my room. If you like see it, that's the fly. I don't like him. Water tubes. These are good for keeping your flowers hydrated, so you're gonna win some of these. And this right here is honestly the best stuff in the whole box. This is waterproof tape. I use this stuff on all of my designs, like when I'm making like my altar pieces or center pieces that I want to like keep the tape and all that stuff, my mechanics for moving around. This tape is God, so lucky you, you just won yourself a pair. Ooh guys, and then there's more tools on coming. Right. You got yourself a little mini pair of scissors, yay! Now I would recommend only using these for your ribbons, so that way you can like cut your ribbons prettily. I don't know if that's a word, but we got some of that. And oh, you actually have more of these. You got 3 more of these little water tubes here, and these are like shorter ones. These are like maybe like an inch, and I would say the other ones are about 2 inches. Oh, I'm so jealous. I need a pair of these so bad. You guys in my comments are always telling me to stop cutting my wire with my clippers, and I know, but now you don't have to worry about that because you're gonna win a pair of wire snips. Look at how nice these are. Look at the spring in those. Ooh, fancy. So yes guys, you are going to win all those items you see in the toolkit, and I also just want to mention that I purchased every single one of those items using my YouTube AdSense money, which is completely funded by you guys, and it's just another way of me saying thank you so much for all of your love and support over the years, just getting me this far. Thank you so much. So wouldn't have been able to get all this stuff without you guys, so thank you so much. I'm putting it back into you guys because I want you guys to feel appreciated, and I want you guys to know that I truly care, and it really means a lot to just even be at 6,000 subscribers, almost 7. Like that's insane. Like, so thank you so much for getting me this far, but not done yet. You get a little bit more than just what's inside of your toolkit here. In addition to the Florist toolkit, you are also going to win the flower identification book. You get to learn flowers and you get to learn their names. So what's really cool about this book is that you get to learn what kind of flower it is, you know, what it is, how to pronounce it. You learn the colors it comes in, like the season. You learn like what it's easy to pair with, you know, like if it's fragrant, is it a fragrant flower, is it not fragrant, is it thorny, the durability of it. So definitely something you should check out. I'm going to be giving away a free copy of this book within this toolbox here, and it doesn't stop there guys. You also get my free classes as well. All the classes on my website, you are going to receive all of those for free. I will send you links for free codes so that way you can download them to any digital device and you can rewatch them anytime. You will receive my boutonniere and corsage class. I will show you how to make those step by step. I will also show you how to make a flower crown and hair accessories. So you receive all of those classes, the book, and the toolkit with the tools inside of the toolkit. So you're going to receive all that for free. To enter my giveaway, you're going to need to do 4 things. You're going to need to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below your favorite item that you are the most excited to receive, and you're going to need to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. And if you don't have any of those social medias, then just comment below your favorite video of mine. Winner of this giveaway will be announced on my Instagram, and I'll also post about it on my YouTube as well. Guys, thank you so much for getting me to this point in my life. Thank you so much. I am so blessed to have almost 7,000 subscribers on YouTube. Like, this is insane for me. I know that definitely by the end of this year, I will absolutely hit that 10K mark. So thank you so much for all your love and support, and I'm so glad that I was able to put together this bag for you guys and give it away for you because you guys deserve it. So thank you so much.